Are you still manually typing 1, 2, 3 to number your Excel rows? That is a massive waste of your time, and there is a far better way. In the next 60, most Excel users either type numbers by hand or drag the fill handle down row by row, which breaks the moment you insert or delete a row. If here is how it works, click on cell A2, which is where you want your numbering to start. Type the formula equals sequence, then open a parenthesis. The first argument is the number of rows you want to generate. Sequence actually has four powerful arguments that give you full control over your series. The syntax is equals sequence, then rows, then columns, then start, then step. So look at the final result. Column A is perfectly numbered from 1 to 6 without you typing a single digit, and it is completely dynamic. If you change you just learned how to use the sequence function to automatically number rows and generate any custom series in Excel with one single formula.